So now that I removed the screws, we go remove this cover, put the cover right there. Now lift, now be very, very mindful with these wires. They are connected to the fan. It goes in here. I tell you this much, if you break this, GG's, just buy another PlayStation. We're gonna lift this. Again, be very, very careful with the wire, with the fan. Set the fan there. We're gonna clean the blades. This is dirty. Also, look at this side. So now, this is where we take the small paintbrush and carefully we'll just, you have to go back and forth a couple of times so the dust could get a little loose. Just be careful going between the blades. You do not want to bend it. This is a very delicate, this is the most delicate part of cleaning your PlayStation. Just got to be very, very careful cleaning this. How clean it is. See? No more dust. It is dust free. There you go, pop that in place. Slide it, slide it, slide it. Boom, it hooked on. There we go. Voila. Ladies and gentlemen, and that's how you clean your PS5.